I finally got my hands on another Labubu. I recently sold mine because I am so determined to get lychee berry, and I am just really hoping that it's in here because it's the only one I want. It is so cute. If I don't get this one, I think soy milk is cute. I really don't like the green one because I don't like green, or this one. These I guess would be okay, but I really just want this one. Okay. Ready? Oh my god, it's so cute. It's perfect. It's perfect. I'm so excited. Yay! I'm so happy. Yay, I never have to get another one ever again.